Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to open an Exodus account on iOS and Android. First, go into your App Store or Google Play Store and download Exodus. Once you have finished downloading, open Exodus. To use your wallet to receive and send cryptocurrencies, press the wallet icon. Choose the cryptocurrency you would like to use. In this case, we will use Bitcoin. First, we will demonstrate how to receive cryptocurrency. Press on the down arrow and the QR code will appear. The person sending you the crypto will scan this code and send to your wallet. Now we will demonstrate how to send cryptocurrency. Press down the up arrow. Enter the amount you would like to send. Copy and paste the wallet address or scan the wallet address by pressing the QR code button right beside the Tap to Paste BTC address. In order to secure your wallet, we are going to back up your wallet. Press the 4 blocks icon. Click on Security, then click Backup. Click View Secret Phrase and write down your secret phrase by clicking Press and hold to reveal. Once you have written it down, press Done. Now it will check if you have written your code down by verifying the code with you. You have successfully backed up your Exodus wallet.